Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Raibole. I am presenting my seminar on the topic spectrophotometry. In this technique, the color comparison is done by using the more sophisticated instruments, that is the spectrophotometer. The word spectrophotometer is based upon the fact that its instruments consist of two major parts, namely spectrometer and photometer. The spectrophotometer are useful in the visible as well as the UV range depending upon the model. Here, such is the block diagram of the spectrophotometer, which consists of a source, entrance slit, disperser unit, exit slit, which is called as the monochromator, and sample, detector, and the measuring device. The spectrophotometer consists of the following component, that is source. For visible range, that is 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer, the tungsten filament lamp is used, while the UV range, the hydrogen or a deuterium lamp is used as the source. The source work on the stabilized voltage supply. Next one, that is monochromator. The monochromatic actually consists of the entrance slit, a dispersion device, and the exit slit. In case of the prism, the light coming from the source is resolved into the different wavelength due to a phenomenon of refraction. In case of grating, grating is also known as, which consists of the highly polished metallic surface on which large number of the lines, that is 1500 to 3000 per inch, rule on it, is called as the grating. The wavelength separation takes place by the phenomenon of the interference. Next one, that is sample cell. Sample cell is also called as the cuvette. For visible range, cuvette is made up of the glass and the quartz. Can be used as the UV range, and quartz cuvettes are useful. This is because the glass affect to the UV radiation. The cuvette can be different types, that is cylindrical cuvette or the rectangular cuvette. Next, detector. In the last cost spectrophotometer, a sample phototube is used as a detector, while the costlier instruments, the photomultiplier tube is used as a detector. In a principle, the both detector, the following on the detector generate the photocurrent and the magnitude which directly depend upon the intensity of the light falling on it on the detector. However, the photomultiplier tube is many times more sensitive than the ordinary phototube. Next one, measuring cylinder. Measuring device. Different measuring devices are used, such as the digital displays, analog meter, etc. Nowadays, some instruments are also provided with the automatic recorder with a pen and the graph. Here are the such differences between a calorimeter and the spectrometer. A calorimeter differs from the spectrophotometer in the following aspect. In calorimeter, a filter, that is color glass, are used in the separation of the wavelength, while in the spectrophotometer, a monochromator consisting of a prism and the grating is used. Calorimeter is used in a visible range only between 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer wavelength range. Spectrophotometer may be used in the both UV or the range depending upon the model. Next, the calorimeter is the ordinary barrier layer detector, which is less sensitive, while the spectrophotometer is a more sensitive detector, such as the phototube or the photomultiplier tube. Calorimeter is also relatively cheaper instruments, and the result obtained may be less accurate. On the other hand, spectrophotometer is more sophisticated and the costly instrument, and the result obtained by the using more accurate. Thank you.